Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly video log of Become a Successful Immigrant. My name is Reggie Baloyos, and this week we will talk about preparing for your immigration interview. For future new immigrant, immigration interview is part of the process, and do not be scared. The most important thing is that you need to be prepared. Now, you will know when you are going for an interview because you as an applicant, as a petitioner, or your legal representative or attorney will receive a notice for your interview. The notice will have the date, the time, and the place where the interview will take place. Now, when this happens, I would recommend that you set aside some time. Call your attorney or legal representative and ask them to prepare you for this process. Now, second, I want you to review every documents and paperwork. If English is pretty much not familiar to you and you have problem understanding the language, I would tell you right now, get a trusted friend or a second party, contact a community-based organization and see if they can provide you help with language access. To review the paperwork and making sure that you understand every single word in that petition you are providing, and even all the supporting paper documents you are providing or you have provided to the immigration office, or even when you are going for immigration hearing. So make sure you know everything in that paperwork. Now, sometimes there might be an error of your paperwork. Do not just get upset. What you can do is to inform your legal representative or your attorney and let them know about the error in your paperwork. Talk to them how they can help you, or the other thing that you can do is to inform immigration why you have that error and ask if they can update your file during the interview. Now, it is also important that if you are struggling with English, make sure that you are prepared to bring a third-party translator to interpret for you during the interview. It cannot be a family member. Now, honesty is always the best policy. Make sure that every information in your paperwork is accurate, correct. And the other piece is that you always need to make sure that you are prepared in this interview. Dress up well, and if you get nervous, it's okay to actually breathe. You do not need to rush. Now, I will remind you that the immigration officer will always would like to speak to you directly. Now, anyone who is representing you or a support person, if you are allowed to, will always sit next to you or behind you. So calm down, learn how to breathe, and as long as you tell them the right information, the correct information and details, you will be fine. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at immigrant@travers-digest.com.